Why do 95% of birds sing at dawn? Because it's peak real estate for sound. Nature's morning billboard. Every note says, "I'm here." Ready for 5 quick bird facts in 45 seconds? Hummingbirds beat their wings 80 times per second. Tiny jets. Crows recognize human faces and hold grudges. Yes, they remember you. Arctic tern migrates 50,000 miles a year. World champion traveler. Owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees. No neck cracking required. Some bird species even use tools. New Caledonian crows fashion hooks to fish out bugs. Bird feathers were the blueprint for airplane wings. Want more bird brain facts? Follow for daily wild bites.